Are you interested in making passive income online with CPA marketing? If yes, then this video right here is for you because I'm going to be revealing to you an amazing strategy you could use to go on to making money with CPA marketing like I am doing just right here. And this particular strategy is going to be a beginner's friendly one right now, and you can utilize this right here from any location out there in the world to promote your CPA marketing offers and make money online. And if you want to learn this strategy, stick on watch the video to the end so as not to miss out on any important step or trick which I'm going to show you right here in this particular video. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. You can scroll through the channel, you'll be able to see lots of cool videos I actually do have for you. So check out those videos and utilize that video right now to make money online. You could also guys come right here to this section and make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all so that you do get alerted whenever I release some cool videos that could help boost your income online. And without further ado and much delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So the first thing which you actually want to get done is to get an account created on a CPA marketing platform. I'm going to be using the Cpagrip right here. All you need to do is to come right here, click on register, of which you'll be brought to a page such as this, and you want to just simply go on to filling out your basic details like your first name, your last name. You could skip out the website and company because they are not having this red asterisk signs right now, as that sign indicates the required field you must fill before getting an account created. You can actually fill out the street address, country, city, and other sections having that red asterisk sign. And guys, once you're done with that, come onto this section and agree to the terms of service. So once you have actually done that and click on register now, you could go on to creating your account and click on logging in to log into your account. So right here guys, I'm logged into my account, and to get to this page where I am right now to go on to selecting offers which you want to promote, you just want to come onto this section, select the offer tool option, and you're going to select my offers under that section. And if you do that right here, you will be brought to a page that will look similar to this, where you could go on to seeing a lot of CPA marketing offers you can take advantage of to promote right now. And guys, take a look at this right here. From this section, you could filter your offers to promote offers from any country of your choice for any demographic right there, which is why you want to just simply use a top tier country like the United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, and so on. But I'm going to be using the United States right here because the platform which we're actually going to be utilizing to promote our affiliates or CPA marketing offers actually gets a lot of traffic from the United States. So what you want to do right now is to actually come onto this section. Maybe I'm going to filter the offers by country right here, and you can actually, or by payout right now, and you can actually do see from the highest paying offers to the lowest paying offers. And supposing I want to promote something like a sweepstake offer, I'm just going to select this right here. You can see this is more like a sweepstake offer of a $10,000 giveaway to the United States right here. The leads need to come from the United States. They need to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code. Using this your unique affiliate link to complete the survey, and you do get paid $2.22 for every successful lead you get to this product. So what you want to do right now is to just simply copy the link to this product, and you want to just simply head on to creating a simple landing page. You can either use the Breezy Cloud, the Systemi.io, Google site, or any other landing page builder site you can grab hold of. But if you are finding it difficult creating a landing page, just simply go onto my channel OJ Marketing, and you can actually click on this search icon, and you can then go on to typing in landing page. So once you've typed in landing page and click on enter right now, you can actually find videos that are actually created for you that can help you go on to creating a landing page right here. These videos are actually tutorial videos I created for you on how you could create a landing page on Google site, on the Systemi.io. You could even find out the Webflow right here, the Breezy Cloud, and other landing page builder sites. So take advantage of such videos right now and actually utilize that to go on to making some cool landing pages that you can actually use to promote your CPA marketing offers. So once your landing page has been created and linked to this particular offer, or you could create a landing page for multiple sweepstake offer or giveaway offers right there. Next, you want to just simply go into promoting that using this platform right here called Reddit. And if you head on to Reddit guys, you want to just simply come right here, click on this advertise icon after signing up to an account, and if you click on that right here, as you can see, it's going to bring me to this page right here, where you just want to just simply go on to signing up completely right here. As you can see, if you do, you get about $200 in ad credit when you do spend $100 right now. I'm just going to continue with my normal account. So basically what you want to do right now, guys, is after signing up with your email, you want to just simply provide these basic details right here. So right now you can see it asks me, what would you like to create, or what would you like to create your campaign? You want to create a simple campaign or an advanced campaign. And you can see right here, for the simple campaign, you could drive traffic to your website with just three-step ad creation and experience. With the advanced right here, you could build a robust campaign with advanced tools and features. So what I'm going to do right now is to just simply create a simple campaign right now for this particular video. Later on in the video right now, I'm just going to show you how you could do the advanced creation. So if I do select the simple campaign or simple create right now, all you actually need to do is to just simply come right here and drop in your browse file right here, like images or videos you want to utilize right now. And you could actually download this image or video, which you actually get right here from this particular offer. So if you do that, right click on the offer, click on save image as, you can actually do save this image on your device right now. So once the image has actually been saved on my device, I'm going to head back to that platform, select this upload file, and actually upload that file right here. As you can see, this is how this is going to look like. I'm just going to go on to add in a headline right now, and for that headline, maybe I can actually go into using the same title for this offer as in Cpagrip right here. So once I copy this, head back to that platform called Reddit and actually paste that in right now. You could also go on to add in a URL, which should be the link to that your landing page which you created earlier with any of the landing page builder sites, or utilizing the video which I actually showed you right here to go on to creating a simple landing page and link that to your CPA marketing offer. So all you need to do is to come right here to this section, paste in that link right now, and you could preview that right here. You could go on to selecting a call to action right now, and you can see that there are various types of call to action, including download, install, sign up, and a lot more right now. So you want to just simply collect or use a simple landing page that actually fits, or a simple call to action that fits in what you intend on doing for that particular offer. So right now, once I've actually selected this right here, I'm actually done with the first step, which is the creative right now. I can click on this arrow right now, select the targeting and delivery right now, and this section, guys, you want to just simply select the location and the demographic which you actually want to go on to targeting. You can see the impression which I'm going to get right here and the amount of click right now. You could either select the broad or the custom right here to target Redditors with specific interests and communities. Maybe you could actually fix in that, and you want to just simply fix in the interest group right here, maybe gaming, health, and finances. You can actually go on to put in something like giveaway, but right here I can't actually find any of that right now. So you can actually go onto the broad section right here and utilize that right now, because this is a giveaway offer and anybody in any category can actually utilize that. And now for your budget right here, I advise you actually go into using about $5 per day budget if you are actually a beginner right now. So utilize the $5 a day budget right now. Well, I'm just going to use the $10 right now, and as you can see, it says runs continuously starting from today. But what you want to do to start is to set an start date and an end date you want to utilize right now. And you want to just simply come right here to set a start date. In this section, guys, you want to set the end date for the ad right now based on your preference. And right now, I'm just going to go on to the next section, which is actually the payment. And you could actually go on to adding your credit card and pay for this particular ad which you intend on running before going on to publishing this on this platform. And this is actually an amazing strategy you can go on to utilizing to get lots and lots and lots of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, if the video was helpful, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is turned on all. Also guys, don't forget to check out the videos you can actually find on my channel to go on to learning other strategies that can help you make money online. Just simply use the video which you can see on the screen right now to learn other cool and amazing strategy to make money online. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.